What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your other language on your Samsung Galaxy Mobile. So all you have to do is just do a swipe up and go to your settings. Now you want to scroll all the way down to where you find general management. You want to tap on that. Now at the top there you will find language. So if you tap on that, you will see whichever language you have on your phone. You will also have the option that says add language, and you can add language from there. So as you can see there, I already have a second language there, right? This is a Czech language. If I tap on that, you will see that it gives me the option to apply. And within a second, you will realize that the language of my phone changed. And this is how you change language, right? Let me go back and change this into English by selecting English and click on the apply there. You will see that it changes again. Now, what if I want to add another language? I click the add language button, and you can see so many different languages that you can choose from, right? So let's say I'm going to choose the Dutch language. I can tap on that, and then I can choose whichever one. So I'm going to choose, for example, the Deutschland, right? So I'm going to tap on the first option as an example, and I can keep my current language and add it by keep current, or I can set it as default. So I'm going to keep current but add it, and as you can see, it add now as a third language. And at any point in time, I can simply select it and click on apply, and it will change the language of my phone. You will see there. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.